shit.
I'm gonna make you a salad. Could be a highly unauthentic salad. I don't know if anyone on this island of Malta even makes this salad. Okay, we got tomatoes. This tomato, I don't know what it is about tomatoes in Europe, but they taste completely different, especially in Malta, than anything at home. You can just eat the thing like an apple. This is the Gozo cheese from local dairy.
Terrific!
It's very sharp, almost like a pecorino or a parmesan. You just need a tiny little bit to add salt to the salad to just give it a little pop. Parsley. Went to a bakery, it was basically a woman's home. That's a nice crust, cooked in a wood fire. We're just gonna cube this up and it's gonna kind of absorb the olive oil and give a little texture to the salad.
Terrific!
Little onion. Ooh. Got a nice can of the local Maltese beer here, Kisk. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna drink this with the salad.